Yeah.
Hi, James.
Hey, Mommy.
Hi, James.
Up there, see?
Hi.
There's Mommy.
Hi, baby. Acha-cha.
Yeah.
Yes, acha-cha.
Yeah. Yeah, let's put him next to this big snow back here.
Okay, Daddy. Wow, look at that snowbank compared to our little boy.
Wow.
That's really big.
Snow is this high, huh?
Holy guacamole.
Higher than the car. How about that?
Wow, it is higher than the car. It's almost higher than you, Daddy.
I know, a lot of snow. Lots of snow.
Sissy's coming out too.
All right.
James! Where you going? You gonna go for a ride? Hi!
Do you like this thing?
Yeah, he loves it.
Good. I will probably spin around the court.
Well, there's not much snow on the road, honey, is there?
Good enough.
Okay. Have fun.
All right.
Here they go. Look at the size of those snowbanks.
Here we go.
Insane. Bye. Have fun. It is as tall as Steve almost.
Here the snow's as tall as I am.
Yeah, look at that. Isn't that fun? Oh, I'm not going to be able to even see him. Goodness gracious. Here's the court. Looks pretty. It's pretty, but wow. There you go. Frozen tundra. They have a mailbox out there somewhere. Kevin's over at Nick's house. See if I can zoom in over there. I don't think they're outside though. Nope. It's easy, buddy. Alright, check back in a minute with Booski.
Okay, we're January and we just got over 2 big snowstorms. And here's what our house looks like. Very snowy. And there's some tree limbs in the way, so you can't really see very well. There's a lot of snow. Okay.
The whole neighborhood.
Whoa. There's our house. And it's very snowy around the whole neighborhood. The road's out, and there's Dad and James. Hi, James! Hi, Jimmy!
He likes the sun.
Yeah, I know.
All the snow.
And there's our tree. And it is very deep.
Keep walking down this way and then walk in through the driveway. Get all these.
Okay. There's our mailbox. They're very tall. And there's Dad James again. Here are some really tall snowbanks that are almost tall as me. There's a basketball hoop. And there's a car. Dad's car. Snowbanks are really deep and they're almost as high as his car. Well, some are. And that's a really high one.
Alright, I'm going back up on the roof.
Okay.
Alright?
I'll watch James.
Okay.
Hey, James. Turns off.
I want to see how this looks over here.
And also, I'll just get a view of the back. And there's a swing set, which is very covered. And I will record more later. Say cheese! Say cheese, tiny baby. Cheese, Laura! Peek! Peek! You're funny. Look how tall these snowflakes are compared to a little baby, right? Okay. See you later. Bye-bye.
Where do you think you're going, mister? Where do you think you're going? Yeah? You're taking a big walk? Can't even tell where you're going, can you? Hang on. Where's your sissy? Where's Laura? Hey James, where's Laura? Where's Laura? There she. There she is. Here she comes. Hi, guys. He wants to come out here on this road for some reason. You can go for a walk. Let him go. Stay with him. It's hard to walk in all this stuff, though, honey. Look at the size of the snowbank compared to James. Oopsie. Put him back in the driveway, honey. Or maybe not. Okay, let him go. Let him go. He won't get hurt. If he falls, he's okay. He has to learn. There's Sissy. Stand next to the snowbank, Sissy. There's the mailbox. I knew it was out here. Nice clouds in the sky. Blue sky. Pretty cold today, about 20, probably 19, 20 degrees. Hi, cuties. Hi, James. Hi, James. Probably should walk the other way so the sun's not in his face. Walk the other way, James.
Yeah.
Turn around so you're not... He has definite ideas of where he wants to go, let me tell you. Well, let him go if he wants to go. Hi, James. Hey. Hi. Where are you going? Well, I guess there's a long road. Bye-bye. Go to Friendlies. Yeah? Where's the flag, James? Yeah, there it is. Let's see it. Oh, my goodness. Look at the nice flag. Let's see if we can come over here. Take a closer look. Yep, kind of can see it. Oh, there's a ladder up to the roof because Daddy was trying to shovel some snow off of there. All right. I don't want him to even see the tree. He'll start crying. Let's go see what Daddy's doing, should we? Okay, why am I not wearing my gloves? Hang on. I really hope I don't biff it as I'm walking here. I can't see where I'm going.
I almost fell that one out.
I said at least if Daddy falls off the roof, at least he'll have a soft landing, huh? There he goes. There he goes.
I got some kind of car.
Okay, let's see. Backyard. Oh, it's cold. Ah, wind. Okay, where's Daddy? Where's that Daddy? Is he on the roof? Is he up on the roof? Oh, where are you, Daddy? Thought he was on the roof.
He said it was.
Uh-oh, Daddy. Well, we'll see him in a minute. Might be on the other side. Oh, wait a minute. Huh? I can't walk out there because it's too deep. Are you up there, honey? I hear him shoveling, but I can't tell where he is. James! Daddy's car, that's right. Daddy's car. Very good. Today's January, is it the 12th, Boo?
Yeah.
Daddy's car. Yeah, the first snowfall was December on Christmas. Then we had 2 more after that, so it's been quite the winter this year. Yeah, you could draw pictures on Daddy's car. James. Yeah. How are you? Hey, James, how are you? Good, honey. I'm so glad. You like the snow? Where's the snow? Oop.
Oopsie. Okay?
See if he can get up by himself, Laura. Yes, he's doing it. Good job, little mister. That's it. Good job. Good big boy. Yeah, Daddy's car.
What about my hair?
Huh?
It's a mess. My hair.
Oh, honey, nobody cares about your hair. You can't see it anyway. You don't fix your hair to go out and play outside with a headband on. Hi. Yeah, I hear Daddy again. Let's see if we can see him.
Yeah.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. Well, you can't see him.
Oh, is he?
I can see him shoveling the snow.
Okay, hang on. Oh, yeah, I see the snow flying out. There it is. Hey, Daddy!
Yeah.
Hi! We're just filming.
Good. How are you?
Good. I was trying to see you, but I can't. I can't see him, but the snow's flying off the roof. Yay! Just hope we don't see Zippy fly off the roof next. Careful. Don't break the windows on the porch, honey. Ugh. The wind is not good. Okay, be back. What's that? Who's that? What's that? What's that, James? Whose car is that? Yeah, wheel. Tyler's house?
There are no balls.
There are what, honey?
No balls.
Oh, I was thinking of like a kickball.
Oh. Oh.
The court? No, it's okay, honey. He probably wouldn't care anyway.
Right.
And there you have it. Where's Boo?
Oh, yeah.
She's eating snow.
That's almost up to my head.
I know. I tried to walk in the backyard to take a look at Daddy on the roof, and it's too deep. My boots would get full.
Want
Oh,
me to do it? I got snow.
No, honey, that's okay. I just wanted to get a picture of him up there, but
Well,
he's up there. I wish he'd come over here.
Look at taller clouds.
Yeah,
Or how fast they move.
yeah. Windy. A little windy today. James, will you get? Come on, sweetie, walk with Mommy.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Come on, come along.
Come on.
He just loves that car. He loves any kind of car or truck or anything.
Yeah.
There he goes, running, running, running. Go, Jimmy, go!
Yay, Jimmy.
It's like going through a tunnel. I know, little tiny Jimmy footprint. Talking to himself the whole while. You're real